You need a tool to succeed in affiliate marketing business. Today I'm going to show you how you can use GetResponse in your affiliate marketing business. I'm going to show you how the features of GetResponse, a email marketing softwares, is very important in your affiliate marketing journey if you are a beginner. So do not forget to watch this video till the end. And if you're first time watching, guys, do subscribe my channel, watch few of my videos. If this is providing you values to make money online, then do subscribe it right away, right now. And do not forget to smash that like button, because in this video you're gonna get a lot of values. So smash that like button. With that said, guys, let's dive in. So why we need a affiliate marketing tools to succeed in affiliate marketing business? So here you can see this, guys. You need a website or a YouTube channel or a landing page if you're running a Facebook ad or any kinds of ad. So whatever your traffic source is, guys, you have to drive the traffic source to this opt-in page or the landing page. And there you're going to collect the email which will go to autoresponder. Okay. And then from here, you're going to send them to the one-time offer. From this one-time offer, they will go to upsell, downsell, and thank you page. If they buy here, you'll make a commission. If they don't buy in this process, guys, you have their emails. And then you're going to send them a email sequence to build the relationship with them. And then you're going to sell the product again. That means to create this landing page or to put the opt-in form, you need a landing page builder, as well as you need a forms. Because you're collecting the emails, you have to build a email list. I have to collect in one place to all of that. Okay. So for that, I'm using GetResponse and Aweber. Also, guys, you need a email autoresponder. You can't send them a email sequence writing every day. So you can create a sequence and you can send them, right? It will go automatically from the website. That means you need a email autoresponder too. Also, guys, you need a email automation. That means if somebody is not going to buy in your sequence, okay, in this process, you can retarget them in other way. You can retarget with some other, right, a product to them. Okay. So for that, we need a email automation. And to build all this, we need a sales funnel. Right now, you're seeing the sales funnel, as well as you need an integration, because, guys, maybe you're collecting the emails in your WordPress website. Maybe you are using a landing page builder, a different one, as well as email marketing software, a different one. Maybe you're using ClickFunnels and you integrated with GetResponse. Okay. So integration is very important. So these are the 7 things which is very important in affiliate marketing, in which our GetResponse is a perfect marketing tools. Here you can see you can create email marketing, landing page, webinars, marketing automation. And it's with all these features, guys, it is free for 30 days. And the link is given in the description, so that you can get access right away, right now. Okay. So here you can see with email marketing, guys, you can create a email autoresponder, right? You can analyze the statistic, the performance of your email, which is very important, right? List management. And in the landing page, you can set up the Facebook pixel, sign up form, pop-ups, countdown timer, all those things which you can do in landing page. As well as you have a conversion funnel, which is very important to create a sales funnel or lead magnet funnel, list building funnel. A lot of tools they have it. And also you can use it to run a Facebook ad, social ad creator, Facebook pixel from the website itself, guys. It's amazing. With all these features, it is free for you for 30 days. No credit card is required. That is the reason, guys, I have given the link in the description, so you can access it. And all these features here you can see: email marketing, autoresponder, unlimited landing page, right? It is only for $15 after your first 30 days trial. Okay, $15 to collect your 1000 emails. Okay, later you can set up according to your email list. For 5000 emails, guys, you have to pay $45 per month. Okay, this is monthly billing. They have 12-month billings and 24-month billings. Whatever it is good for you, you can go for it. Okay, all the feature is completely free, guys, for 30 days, and no credit card is required over here. So let's dive into the dashboard. You can make a free sign up here. It is very easy to create your GetResponse account. Put your name, email, password, that's it, and get into the first 30 days free trial with all the features which I showed you. So this is the dashboard of GetResponse, and from here you can access all the feature of GetResponse. Also here in the menu you can get all the different features of GetResponse. So from here we can select, right, create an autoresponder. That is a email sequence. So here you can name your right sequence, date when you want to send the emails. You can create a newsletters or the email sequence. And if you don't know how to do this, guys, do not worry. I have a huge playlist for it. So you have to get into the playlist of my channel, and here you can see build your email list. Here you can get how to build your email lists, how to build the sequence, and what is the different strategy you can collect the emails. Okay, this will help you a lot. So the link is popping up right now in the window, guys. Use this, okay, after this video. Also, guys, create a landing page. One of the best part of GetResponse is they have a huge long landing page options, right? A lot of bridge page they have is according to the niches you need it, you will get, right? And also you can select from here. And if you are not fine to select designs from here, guys, you can also build yours from the scratch. Okay, this is one of the best options they have it. And also, guys, it's a drag and drop landing page builder, and they also have a huge list of forms where people or your target audience are inserting their emails. Okay, emails, names, different forms which you can integrate with your right websites or the YouTube channels, and from there you can collect the emails. Okay, it's just very so many different design. I think this is one of the best software for any beginner, guys. And also create a funnel. So you don't need to pay $97 for ClickFunnels, guys. You can save almost right $87, I think, using this software, right? Just you have to pay $15 after 30 days of trial. Okay, here you can create a lead magnet funnel, right? A standard opt-in funnel. You can sell product, which generally I use, right? Promote a webinar. You can promote a webinar here. So it's very easy drag and drop system, guys, which you can do. Okay, so many different features you can access from here, guys. As well as also, one of the most important thing is, guys, integration. It is integrated with so many different plugins, as well as, guys, right, networks like ClickBank. Okay, if you're selling ClickBank product, Amazon, okay, you can use it, like Facebook ads, right, Google Analytics, as well as PayPal payment methods, guys, Shopify stores, right, WooCommerce stores, Stripe, another payment method. So many things they have integrated. This is one of the best software, guys, if you're a beginner to begin with, because they are offering so many features, right, with 30-day trials, and it is only $15 to begin with. So the link is there in the description. Do not forget to check that, and hope you got some value from this software. This software is definitely going to help you for a long run if you're planning your affiliate marketing business, okay, for a long term. And hope you got some value from there. And if you got some value, guys, smash that like button there, and do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get a lot of valuable videos, tools, strategies, resources related to affiliate marketing. Thank you.